Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we are going to see every single detail for COTI, amazing stuff right there, and we are going to see what we should do, buying and exit strategies, many more. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto. Not only you will get easy profits, but the random giveaways as well, with a system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. But it doesn't stop there. Market updates, personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, and many more benefits. Okay, so try it right now, and of course you can cancel anytime you like. You can also join our Telegram group chat, hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Now let's see a little bit COTI, because right there we found a little bit of a buying pressure. You can see around here we almost had bottom tweezers, but for 3 cents we didn't. Okay, the bottom tweezers should be around there. Okay, we didn't have bottom tweezers, but anyway we found some buying pressure and we went all the way even above the 20-day, 50-day MA. Let's see how this will close, and of course we will analyze every detail. If we can get to the next price target around 71 cents, if we cannot, where are we going, and so on. Okay, we will discuss everything, do not worry about that. And of course let's go a little bit to the MACD, that it is bullish. It is bullish, and I will tell you why. Because the MACD is going down. Okay, you can see it is going all the way down, but the price doesn't go so further down. It remains kind of stable. You can see that if you zoom out, you will see that the price didn't go all the way down. For example, here we had a low, okay, and now we went below even this low we had on 22nd September. And on 22nd September, you can see COTI was 28 cents, and now it is 56 with the same low for the MACD. So this is pretty good for the coin. Okay, it shows that the altcoin has the strength needed to move upwards. Let's go to the 4-hour frame. And on the risk metrics, I will remove the drawings. Here you can see that for now, COTI doesn't seem to have very much strength we need, but of course if we close above the 20-day and the 50-day MA, it might be a little bit different. And I'm telling why, because you can see that the stochastic RSI is going into an overbought without having so much of a price action for the time being. Okay, and so we need to be a little bit careful. Same here for the commodity channel index that went even above the -100, and it doesn't seem like we've had this nice pump up right here that we would want to see for COTI. Okay, so in overall right now the 4-hour frame is good, but not yet. Okay, it is not bullish yet. We want to go to the daily frame to see some dangers we have right there. First of all, on the stochastic RSI that we care more, we can see that we were in an overbought situation, but right now we are going into an oversold. Okay, and that is pretty fine. 20-day MA might be the support level, even the 50-day MA, we will see about that though. Stochastic RSI is going into an oversold. RSI remains stable between 30 and 70. This is a very good, and of course it is a very good indicator that we might be having an oversold situation pretty soon. Okay, if we go into an oversold with the stochastic RSI, that is when we buy in an impulsive way, especially if we go down from the 20 on the daily frame. Okay, so right now we do not hold any high risk. Instead, we are going into an oversold situation with the stochastic RSI. Let's open up a little bit the Bollinger bands, and here we had a buying opportunity around there, selling opportunity, not a buying opportunity yet. Okay, selling opportunity on 1st October, buying opportunity around 23rd September. We will have some nice profits. And of course right now we do not hold anything. We can go now to COTI Bitcoin chart, and on the 4-hour frame you can see the same actually as the USDT. It is struggling a little bit. It is struggling to outperform Bitcoin right now. COTI is struggling so much, and we can have some nice support levels just in case you are wondering where are we going to stop. And we had some buying pressure on the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. Okay, I went from this bot up to this top. Okay, if I go from this bottom right here, then we are around 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, but I found this bottom most important. Okay, so it is the last bottom you can see before we had a little bit of a correction, then we went all the way upwards till this point, and now we are correcting for COTI Bitcoin chart, and this is the reason we are actually going further down. We might be having some huge sell pressure right here on the 20-day MA, and this won't be good for COTI against Bitcoin, right? So you can see that COTI goes a little bit upwards and stochastic RSI goes so much upwards. This means that COTI against Bitcoin isn't so strong for the time being. We can see that on the daily frame though, we are in an oversold situation for COTI Bitcoin chart. So this is very, very good, and we might be getting a further movement for COTI against Bitcoin as well in the next few days, right? So we can go to the price analysis and discuss some very, very important things. First of all, what you should do, what you should be doing right now for COTI. If you want for the midterm, you can buy, okay, it is all fine. If you want for the short term, then I do believe that you should be waiting a little bit to see if we can close above the 20-day and the 50-day MA, and of course to see if we can close for our next price target, which is the 0.64 cents, around 64 to 66 cents for COTI. We should be closing on the 4-hour frame above the 64 to 66 cents, or on the daily frame above the 64. It is the same, okay, it is the same. So we should be waiting till we close above next price targets. You can see that we have some nice targets right there. Of course, we can have another fib drawing from this bottom to this top. You can find some important resistance levels. For example, it is the 72 to 73 tether US cents, 74 to 75 cents, around there, in the 78 cents. Okay, so these are our next price targets. I will put the price labels so you can see around this area, and of course the 78 cents. Okay, so therefore we should be seeing whether we are going upwards or not. For the time being, we are perfectly fine. Okay, for the time being, we are pretty good, but we have to go above these targets if you want to minimize the risk, or wait a little bit till we see on the daily frame where are we going to close with this stochastic RSI. Okay, because if we get a sell pressure right here, if Bitcoin, let's say, goes a little bit down from here, has correction, we need to see how COTI will correspond to this correction, because right now on the 4-hour frame you can see that it is not so powerful. Okay, it is not so powerful yet. Even if on the daily frame we have an oversold situation, the 4-hour frame we are not. So therefore you should be a little bit careful for now on how to trade your COTI. If we close below the 51 cents, you know the next price target 48 cents, and I think this area right here between the 49 and the 48 is the best buying entry. If we get there, if we get to this rectangle right here, it is the best buying entry for COTI. Okay, and do not worry if you bought at the top, we will be going higher, and the time will come. It is the same as here. Many people were impatient and they thought that this was the end for COTI. However, we went so far upwards that you would be in a profit. So do not sell and hold your coins, and of course join the monthly subscription to learn technical analysis, hold your future in your hands with videos, and of course you will get easy profits. Buy me a coffee / mind your crypto down in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.